Okay, so just a quick little update. We've been trying these all-in-one grow bags for to get mushrooms to grow. We've got a little heating pad. This is the tub that it'll eventually grow in. Everything's from the company. You inoculate it. It's supposed to take, 4 to 6 weeks. We started this back in the middle of February. No, actually, I take that back. This was at the end of January. It's now the middle of March, and very little had been produced as far as mycelium. So about 2 nights ago, I came in here and broke this thing up. Got the couple of little balls of mycelium broken up, and it's starting to grow again. So I don't know if you can see that there, but all the mycelium is finally starting to grow again. It's all through the back here. I know it's kind of hard with all the water spots in there, but those big chunks of white, that's good. So I'm gonna let this go for another couple of weeks, and then we'll pop the bag open and see if we can get it to grow. But for some reason, these all-in-one grow bags just aren't doing it. And I've got experience, as you can tell from other videos on the channel, growing mushrooms. So I don't know what it is. It may just be the company I'm getting the syringes from. I won't mention any names because that may not be the problem, and I'd hate to give them a bad review. But I may try a different company for those. This particular bag, I'm not sure, because it could be the grain. It could be the way the bag's set up. I'm not sure where this came from. But yeah, these tubs are awesome. I got a smaller tub. There's the smaller tub, and there's the bigger tub. But yeah, these tubs are great. They fit in the closet real well, which is where we're at. And I'll drop a link to those in the description below. And I'm pretty sure this probably came with the tub, but I can't be 100% on that. But yeah, check them out. Check out these tubs. They're pretty cool. This one's is probably 12 by 12 or 10 by 10 inch tub, nice and deep. Pretty cool. All right, well, just wanted to do a quick little update. We are still around. We're just in the process of getting everything situated. Spring's back in, so we're busy with baseball and things like that. But we definitely want to do some more mushrooms. We're going to try some more oyster mushrooms, some other gourmet mushrooms. And yeah, so once those get started, we'll get back to you. All right, thanks for watching.